Who wants a mochi? How about a pink mochi made with real strawberries?
That looks adorable. And me. I want the pink mochi. So I have decided to make it. Strawberries are the main character. Then some sugar. The measurements are eyeballing it. So then we're eyeballing the flour. And we mix. Honestly, it's a little suspicious. What are your thoughts on this? She has no thoughts. Absolutely no thoughts are had. This is the consistency we're going for. She said holes, so we said holes. Then some butter. This is satisfying for some reason. I actually think it looks good. As good as this can look. It looks really good. Then some flour. And then we mix it like this. And now we're filling it. I think it's going good. I mean, they're not the prettiest, but they're ours. So we are gonna put them in the fridge for like 30-ish minutes. Bye, mochi. We're gonna do a taste test together in 20 minutes. So see you then for the mochi.